Okay, so you now have a hammer with 2 costumes and you have a beetle. Right, so what we want to do is we want this hammer whacking or smashing or whatever. Okay, so what we need is that, okay, let's say when the green flag is clicked, because we always start with that, we actually want our hammer to be in the upright position. So it must look like we switch the costume to, and remember that was costume 1, so it will be upright. Then we want it to wait for a second, then we want to switch costume to costume 2, and again wait for a second. Okay, so let's see what happens. Click the green flag, it's upright, wait a second, it goes down. So it's working, but also not working. Why? We don't want it to do it once only. We want it to do it all the time. So you can see that we can go back and have a switch costume to 1, wait a second, switch costume to costume 2, wait a second. So dragging them out all the time and adding. But, it's a lot of work. And luckily in programming we have something to solve that problem. So another word for all the time is forever. Have a look here. Now this one looks a little bit different from those. All these were, only one single piece. Can you see the shape of this? And it means something can go in between. So what do we want to do forever? We want this to go forever. Switch to costume 1, wait a second, switch to costume 2, wait a second. So we just move this in there and it grabbed all of it. Can you see that little arrow going up? It means it will do this and it will go back to that. It will do it, it will go back to that. And let's click those 2 together and let's see what happens. The hammer is smashing away. But it's a bit slow, don't you think? So let's stop there. We can change this wait 1 second to 0.5 and this one as well. Oops, 0.5. Okay, so let's see now. That's a bit faster. Perhaps not fast enough for you, so you can make it faster if you want to. Okay, so I want you to set that up, but I have another task for you. These are both too big. We don't want this hammer to smash. It's easy to smash such a big beetle. So can you still remember this one that says where is set the size? There it is. Set the size to 100%. Can you remember how to change that? So we want, when the green flag is clicked, we want this hammer to be a little bit smaller. But of course we also want the beetle to be a little bit smaller. So click on the beetle. There's no script there, so we must always start with when the green flag is clicked, and also set the size. Okay, so I think you can do that for me. Get the hammer whacking, and also at a good pace, and then change the size of both the sprites. Okay, so I'm sure you will get that right, but if you struggle a little bit, I'll be back with the solution as always. Okay, have fun.